Guys, welcome to another edition of Juicing with Jay. I am literally having no luck with this wireless. So I'm trying to figure it out, and until I figure it out, I will be doing voiceovers. And I hate to really do these voiceovers because it really takes me out the moment and the spirit of what I've been saying. So anyway, I'm out here picking some lemons. I'm about to go visit Grandma Zoo 5. You know, she feels like I've abandoned her, and which is not the case, just been busy. So while I was picking her some lemons, I decided to once again test out this camera to see the distance and how it sounds as I record and walk around the garden versus me just having the tripod walking around trying to work. I'm really trying to be as efficient as possible, working while talking and doing, the stuff around the garden and juicing. So anyway, so far as my efforts have been in vain, and this is why I'm doing the voiceover. So I'm under the tree right now, and I found an extremely large lemon. So I was excited, and in my excitement, I decided to come and show you guys the size of the lemon. So this is the size of the lemon. So I'm going to show you guys a small lemon. That's considered the small lemon, the medium lemon, and this is the Whopper right here, the large lemon. So if you've seen larger, let me know, but I think that's a very huge lemon. That's one of the largest lemons I've seen on the tree. And maybe the camera is not giving you how large that lemon is, but it's a very large lemon. It's almost the size of a grapefruit, if not the size of a grapefruit. So anyway, guys, that's it. I'm just going to wrap it up right there. Just ride out with the music or whatever. And that's pretty much it. So this was a test of the wireless the wireless mic once again. And this one was another epic fail. So I'm doing the voiceover. Epic fail, epic fail. I'm going to try again on the next video and see what happens. I did a little test run. It seemed to work on the test run. It worked on the test run, but when I jumped into doing the actual video, it was a no-go. So anyway, I'm going to try again. If at first you don't succeed, you guys know the rest. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that thumbs up, hit that bell notification. You guys know the rest. Juicing with Jay, and I'll definitely see you on the next video. Peace and blessings.